So tell me, what do you know about group discussions?
Certain topic is given to students or a group to discuss.
Who's speaking?
Abhijit.
Abhijit.
Discussion of
yes, certain topic is given to students to discuss. Okay.
Yes.
Anything else? Is it only a discussion with the students?
It's a subtle version of a debate, ma'am.
It might be about current affairs. We should talk on a certain topic.
Current affairs, yes. So my question is it only for students and for candidates also who are
in day-to-day life?
Interview.
So it can be between anyone, any group of people.
Yes, it can be between a group of people. It can be between your colleagues at office.
Discussion between participants in the groups.
So group की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, when we are speaking of group, it can be any group. It can be a social group. It can be a formal group. It can be a business meeting. Right?
Yes,
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All right. So let's move ahead.
So what's being wrong or what's being right?
Sorry. So now, discussion is an exchange of knowledge and argument is an exchange of ignorance. Do you agree with this thing?
Yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So do you need any explanation on this thing?
No.
No, ma'am.
It's fair and clear.
Wise minds. All right. So now what's a group discussion? Now see, group discussion is composed of two things, group and discussion. So जो अभी हम discuss कर रहे थे, like what can be a group? It can be a team who's working on a project. It can be competitors who are maybe bidding for something, maybe discussing the challenges. It can be the management who's taking reporting meeting, who's discussing upon some decisions taken, who's discussing some policies. It can be an interaction with juniors, senior-junior interaction, right? And then it can be a social discussion as well, social group. Agree? So all sorts of group. उसमें कैसा भी discussion हो रहा है, it's a group discussion. Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now discussion can be done for lots of reasons, lots of purposes. So it can be a scrutiny round. जैसे freshers के लिए companies आती है. So companies give a group discussion round. Then it can be a discussion within a team towards a goal, right? It can be a performance target discussion. So maybe a junior is explaining his or her performance to a group of management people and trying to persuade or convince them that yes, I have performed well. Okay, that can be a discussion. A normal discussion on any topic. It's also a discussion. And persuasion. So what do you mean by persuasion? Anybody?
Trying to convince someone on something, on a particular topic.
Absolutely. So trying to convince. So it will also, take a form of discussion towards like into which you are trying to convince somebody, and then the end result of the group discussion would be either he or she would be convinced or he or she would disagree, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now when the group discussion comes into place, it can be done for some decision making. It can be a problem solving discussion. Maybe a team of, a team is sitting to analyze a problem and concluding it. So it will come out of a mutual discussion, right? Then enhanced knowledge discussion can be of social discussions hote hain, political discussions hote hain. So it's not, discussion is always a two-way thing, right? So it can be a source of information as well. Then actions, arguments. So action means that out of discussion, you are deriving upon some action. Then arguments, it can be an argumentative discussion, doubt clearing discussions, evaluations, and shortlisting. Okay. So it's a general thing. Everybody knows everything, but yes, the important thing is to get out of that idea कि GD सिर्फ freshers के लिए होते हैं. You are day to day involved in lots of activities which are categorized into group discussions only. Okay. जैसे मैंने आपसे पूछा तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट ये आया कि जॉब के लिए जीडीज या फ्रेशर के लिए जीडीज, सो इट्स नॉट सो। डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज में भी आप कहीं ना कहीं डिस्कशंस में इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं। ओके, लेट्स मूव अहेड। So now see, this is a very classic slide. Group discussion. Every alphabet indicates one of the outcomes or the purpose of the discussion, right? So it's very interesting. Generating ideas, reviewing policies and plans, organizing teams or aligning some tasks, then understanding perspectives. What do you mean by this, Abhijit? Understanding perspectives.
Means getting a clear picture of a perspective, basically. Clearer picture of a perspective.
What do you mean by perspective?
Point of view,
View.
ma'am.
Yes, viewpoint,
yes.
your opinion, your viewpoint, right?
Yes.
So when you sit into a discussion, you will understand the perspectives of others as
Others.
well on the same topic. Okay, it can align with yours, it can be totally complementary to yours. Then problem solving could be one, decision making, information exchange, strategic planning, conflict resolution. What's conflict resolution?
Trying to resolve a problem.
Yes. So basically a team or a management is sitting to try to resolve a problem. Unity among people. How can this take shape in by a discussion? Unity. Neha, any idea?
Can I say it, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, Sonu.
यूनिटी यही होती है कि किसी भी ऑफिस में कोई किसी अलग जाति के लोग रहते हैं, अलग धर्म के लोग रहते हैं, वो यूनिटी के साथ काम करे तो अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अच्छे से आगे बढ़ सकती है और रेवेन्यू आगे बढ़ सकता है।
Absolutely. So basically discussions would be involving lot of people in an organization or at workplace, which will, you know, build a trust and confidence within team members, and also it will align everybody towards a common purpose or goal, right? So it's unity among people. Studying some cases like case studies, investigative cases, socializing with people. It can be an instruction when you're sitting, when your higher management is calling a meeting and sitting into a GD. So it can be an instruction mode as well. Then oneness of group participants. So it's basically bringing everybody on same page. Okay, like telling the pros and cons of that particular thing. And then negotiation, very important thing. Can you give a scenario of negotiation into a discussion? Anybody? Salary negotiation.
Salary discussion, ma'am.
Salary discussions,
negotiating.
absolutely. Yes, Neha, you're right. Okay.
Meaning,
So isn't it a great slide that every alphabet is indicating one of the purposes of group discussion? और हो सकता है हमने कभी इतना सोचा ही नहीं हो जीडी के बारे में, हम आज तक सिर्फ यही सोचते आए हैं कि ग्रुप डिस्कशन मतलब स्क्रूटनी राउंड, राइट?
Yes, exactly.
यही सोचते हैं क्योंकि हम अभी उसी फेज से निकले हैं, या मे बी वी आर इनटू दैट फेज ओनली. ओके, सो नाउ सी, एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन जो होता है, इट्स नॉट ओनली स्क्रूटनी, इट्स नॉट ओनली कम्युनिकेशन, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच इज गेज्ड बाय अ जीडी. वो भले इवैल्यूएशन राउंड हो, चाहे वो स्क्रूटनी राउंड हो, चाहे वो एक लीडरशिप टॉक हो या एक ऑफिस डिस्कशन हो, but lots of things are gauged when you are into a group discussion and when you are taking the lead and you're speaking, right? So confidence, absolutely. Politeness, how polite you are. अब हो सकता है सैलरी नेगोशिएशन हो, एक एचआर को किसी एम्प्लॉय को बोलना हो कि we cannot raise your salary. So it can be done in both ways. Either it can be persuasive in a very, you know, authoritative manner कि नहीं बस बात खत्म, no further discussions, हो गया. और एक उसको कॉन्फिडेंस में लेके अपनी चीज को कम्युनिकेट करना. Both are the mediums of discussion, both are the discussions, but the impact of the second one would be that employee उस चीज को समझ के, हो सकता है it can, you know, give a trust and confidence कि चलो ठीक है, there are some reasons जो कि HR उसको politely explain कर पा रहे हैं and convince कर पा रहे हैं. But if it is like you're not entertaining any discussion and you are just like कि नहीं बस यही है, ऊपर से यही आया है, बात खत्म, इसके आगे आपको जो करना है कर लो, जो देखना है देख लो. So do you think employee would actually retain in that office?
Mostly no.
Mostly
No, ma'am.
not. Mostly not. अगर कोई option मिलेगा, so he will be start looking for other opportunities. So everything depends upon how you are communicating. Okay. Then leadership skills. In a discussion, how do you gauge leadership skill?
You're able to gauge. You're able to gauge based on the initiative the person is taking, he or she is taking.
So is it the only initiative?
No, ma'am. Leadership style may be depend on the maintaining the team. Those team is acquired by the organization. They will give the right solution to the bottom line.
Yes, but in context of a discussion, in context of a group discussion,
It can be into conflict resolution, ma'am.
conflict resolution, yes, a
Trust
very important
to
skill.
all members.
Ma'am, taking the team of other member in confidence.
Yes, taking the team members in confidence, very important again. Okay. अब suppose एक group discussion हो रहा है, right? एक group discussion हो रहा है, एक scenario है where team members are actually quarreling. कोई किसी की बात नहीं सुन रहा है, ठीक है? सब लोगों को अपना point रखना है. Okay. So who would emerge as a leader in this situation?
Who can really stay calm and deal with everyone calmly and discuss all the points correctly.
Yes.
True.
Yes, Siddhi, absolutely. So that person जो कि बीच में खड़ा होके भाइयों शांत हो जाओ, right? We need to conclude, we need to discuss. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा अपना काम. So that person who can, withstand this scenario and be able to calm down the situation and control the situation and direct the group and the team towards the topic. क्या होता है quarrel करते करते हम लोग topic से deviate हो जाते हैं, right? So
Yes.
leadership skills would come into play then. कि you are जो off track जा रहा है आपका discussion, आप वापस उनको लेकर आ रहे हो. So very important and किसी भी फेज में हो, भले ही वो एक एम्प्लॉय हो, एम्प्लॉयर हो, चाहे वो फ्रेशर हो, चाहे स्क्रूटनी राउंड हो, ये स्किल्स आपकी एक्चुअली बहुत ज्यादा देखी जाती है और ग्रुप डिस्कशन में पता पड़ती है. ओके, टीम वर्क एब्सोल्युटली. सो ग्रुप डिस्कशन में टीम वर्क कैसे दिखेगा? सोनू, एनी आइडिया?
मैम कोऑपरेशन.
Akshita, yes, cooperation. Yes, Sonu, you wanted to say something?
I don't have any idea.
Okay.
Everyone is trying to take ownership.
So teamwork basically, देखो क्या होता है? I was into a GD, ठीक है, हमारे यहाँ एक कंपनी आई थी and students का group discussion चल रहा था, okay? So everybody was speaking and speaking and speaking, nobody, but there were two students who were not able to get the chance because of low in confidence and weak communication skills. So there was a student जिसने initiative भी लिया था, अच्छे points भी रखे थे, and then he sat and observed the discussion. And when everybody was into the discussion, that student, he was merely a 7th semester student. So that student calmed down everybody and asked, friends, we have not given any chance to these people. So if you want to speak, you can put your views ahead. Okay, so this was a very, very, impressive and polite way to showcase your talent as well as giving chance to your team members. तो prove कर दिया. उसके साथ साथ आपके जो टीम मेंबर्स नहीं पार्टिसिपेट कर पा रहे हैं, यू आस्क्ड एवरीबॉडी टू बी थोड़ा सा शांत हो जाओ और उनको बोलने का मौका दो. So do you feel this would leave an impact on the evaluator?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Yes, ma'am.
और मैं ऐड कर देता हूं.
Definitely. And it was so genuine कि वो ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था that he is trying to fake it out it was very genuinely he said this thing, so definitely he was the one who got selected because he considered. So teamwork into a group discussion.
मैम I can
ऐसा
say
नहीं
something?
होता है जीडी में कि मैं बोलूंगा और मैं किसी की सुनूंगा नहीं.
मैम मैं बोल सकता हूँ?
We discussed. हाँ कौस्तुभ आप बिल्कुल
हाँ
बोल
हाँ
सकते हो.
मैं और एक टीम वर्क मतलब कैसा है कि जो सबके साथ फेयर हो, could be fair to everyone and who could give equal chance to everyone. और मतलब पार्शियलिटी नहीं करनी,
Equal chance to everyone.
मतलब पार्शियलिटी नहीं करना चाहिए.
Yes. Partiality नहीं करना चाहिए बिल्कुल.
So बहुत बार पार्शियलिटी होती है बहुत बार, कभी कभार
होता तो सब कुछ ही है कौस्तुभ. So
yes.
it's not in our control. What is in our control is our attitude towards the situations.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
All right. Listening ability. Again, do you all remember अपन ने active listening की बात करी थी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Listening
ma'am.
versus active listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So listening ability is also हमेशा ऐसा नहीं होता है कि आप बोलोगे and you are a very good in like you have strong communication skills and you आपके सामने कोई बोल नहीं पा रहा है और आप पूरा टाइम बोल रहे हो and you think that you have won the GD. No. आपको दूसरों को चांस देके उनके आइडियाज को, परसेप्शन की जो हम बात कर रहे थे, पर्सपेक्टिव्स की जो बात कर रहे थे, यू शुड बी ओपन टू अदर आइडियाज एज वेल. ओके. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. अगेन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन की जो हम बात कर रहे थे, सेम एज प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. सोशल स्किल्स एंड बिहेवियर. हाउ सो कैन यू एक्सप्लेन मी कि ये कैसे मेजर होती है ग्रुप डिस्कशन में?
Social
skills and behavior.
It's like, ma'am, we have to deal with many things, many different people, and we have to communicate with them, and we really need to stay calm and discuss with them each and every point and listen to them and be correct and not correct, but we have to be positive and we have to just show our negotiation point. Yes, we do agree with.
Ma'am, one point I want to add it.
Yes.
सोशल स्किल एंड बिहेवियर मतलब कैसा है कि जैसे अपन सामने वाले से बात कर रहे हैं तो यू शुड हैव आई कांटेक्ट, उसको नजर से नजर मिला के, मतलब वो बोल रहा है और आप तीसरी जगह, हाँ बॉडी लैंग्वेज, आप वो आपसे बोल रहा है और आप तीसरी जगह ही देख रहे हैं. क्योंकि बहुत से लोगों को आदत रहती है, मैंने देखा है, कभी कभी बोलते हैं ना तो ऑफिस के कॉर्नर्स पे देखते रहते हैं, तो वो उससे हाँ. नहीं तो बिहेवियर मतलब जब आप इंटरव्यू होते हैं कभी कभार लोगों को आदत रहती है नाक खुजाना, सर पे हाथ रखना, जो ऐसे जो एक्टिविटीज है, you should don't do such activity that जो सामने वाला पर्सन है जिससे वो इरिटेट होता है. You should be presentable. मतलब ये बहुत सी बातें रहती हैं.
You should be presentable. Your body language should be aligned. It should be, as Siddhi said, कि calming tone and positivity. Very important.
दूसरा मतलब अपन किसी से जब बात करते हैं तो you should speak slowly. मतलब बहुत से लोग बहुत फास्ट बोलते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने ये इंटरव्यू में भी एक्सपीरियंस किया कि मेरा जिसने कभी इंटरव्यू लिया है तो वो इतना फास्ट बोलता था, एक इंटरव्यू हुआ तो इतना फास्ट बोलता था कि मुझे उसका पहला वर्ड और लास्ट वर्ड से मैं उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करता कि इसको क्या कहते हैं,
समझ नहीं आया.
कुछ लोग, मैंने एक इंटरव्यू दिया था तो जो सामने वाला जो इंटरव्यू लेने वाला था वो इतना फास्ट बोल रहा था कि मेरे को कुछ समझ में नहीं, तो फिर मैंने उसका पहला वर्ड और लास्ट वर्ड से उसको रिकॉग्नाइज किया कि इसको क्या बोलना है. ऐसा भी होता है, लोग बहुत फास्ट बोलते हैं, स्लोली.
तो सोशल स्किल्स एंड बिहेवियर का वो भी एग्जांपल हो सकता है ना, कि सपोज एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन चल रहा है स्टूडेंट्स का, ठीक है, और एक बच्चा बोले जा रहा है और दूसरा उसको आंख दिखा रहा है, बेटा बाहर मिल तू.
Ma'am, one more thing.
Yes, Sarmat. Yes, Sarmat.
Ma'am, like everybody explained their perception of social skills and behavior. I think there is one more aspect to it. Like when we are discussing some topic in a group, then obviously there will be two sides to it. Somebody will be speaking of the same opinion that you are speaking. Some others will be speaking the other, taking the other side of the opinion. So how you take that group forward? How you generate, confidence, and how you take the person on your side? Like you support the other person's opinion, and you form a group and present your point. That is also, I think, a social skills and behavior.
Yes. ऐसे नहीं होता ना कि एकदम खड़े होके नहीं मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वही सही है. How dare you contradict me, right? So these are negative social skills and behaviors. So you have to be receptive. You have to be polite. You have to be calm, basically. सो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इज वन वर्ड जिसको हम कैटेगराइज कर सकते हैं अपने बिहेवियर और सोशल स्किल्स में, है ना? एंड
मैम
देन
लेकिन मैम
यस मयंक,
मैम लेकिन वो टाइम तो बहुत अपना पीक होता है, तो उसके अंदर तो मैं तो अगर चूजी होऊंगा कि नहीं मेरे को बोलना ही नहीं देना है कि जजेस का अट्रैक्शन मेरे को मेरे तरफ ही चाहिए ताकि मेरे को ही सिलेक्ट करे, तो उसके अंदर क्या कर सकते हैं फिर?
देखो एक तो ये है ना, कॉमन मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है कि जीडी में जो सबसे ज्यादा बोलता है वो सेलेक्ट होता है, ठीक है? इसमें जैसे
Agree,
अपन
ma'am, I
अभी
agree.
अभी अपन यही तो बात कर रहे हैं कि क्या क्या स्किल्स गेज होती है। तो अगर आप ट्रू लीडर हो तो आप अपना पॉइंट रख के, आज सिटी हाउस इज ओपन फॉर डिस्कशन, आई वुड इनवाइट योर ओपिनियंस एज वेल, राइट? तो ऐसा नहीं होता है जब तक कोई और इंटरप्ट नहीं कर रहा है या नहीं बोल रहा है, मैं बोले जा रहा हूँ बोले जा रहा हूँ बोले जा रहा हूँ। ओके मैम, so there are lots of other things, you have to be patient, you have to display the leadership skills. जिस पर्सन में ये चीजों का बैलेंस होगा उसी का अटेंशन तो आपकी तरफ आएगा उस केस में, बट वो नेगेटिव होगा। ओके, तो इट्स अ कॉमन मिसकॉन्सेप्शन कि मैं सब जो सबसे ज्यादा बोलता है वो जीडी में पास होता है, राइट? ऑल्दो एक ऐसा सिनेरियो हो सकता है कि भाई आपने अपना पॉइंट रखा और कोई कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहा है, पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं कर रहा है, देन यू नीड टू इमर्ज एज अ लीडर, यू need to direct ki this was my point, my friends, do you have anything else to say, do you have any opinions, do you agree with my point? So you can, you know, give some points to others so that they participate into a group discussion. So it actually happened at our university, Mayank, there was a you know, it was a scrutiny round for students, और वो बच्चे सब सोच के गए थे जैसे आपने बोला ना कि हमें अट्रैक्ट करना है, और सब ने जो बोलना शुरू किया, कोई किसी की नहीं सुन रहा, एवरीबडी इज इनटू क्वारलिंग एंड यू नो hot arguments and everything. So entire batch was discarded, entire batch, and that batch consisted of students who had excellent communication skills. तभी तो uninterrupted बोल रहे थे सब, पर प्रॉब्लम क्या था कि कोई सुन नहीं रहा था, सिर्फ बोल रहे थे. So this is not what companies are looking for, or this is not a correct attitude into a group discussion. Got it, Mayank?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम
Okay.
बट मेन पॉइंट ये भी होना चाहिए कि कैसे अपने, अगर किसी का कोई सोच के आया हो कि मैं यहाँ चलो मेरे को लीडर के थ्रू अगर सिलेक्ट बनना है, मैं लीडर ही हूँ, माइंडसेट ये सेट करके आया, तो मैम उसको पता होना चाहिए कि कैसे अपने बॉल को अपने पॉकेट में कैसे डाले, तो फिर वो तो सीधी सी बात है।
वो सामने है आपके स्लाइड में, कैसे बॉल को अपने पॉकेट में डालना है, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट वी आर डिस्कसिंग. दूसरों को चांस देना, सुनना, अपनी बात को बहुत क्लियरली स्टेट करना, to have good communication skills, to have to display good social and behavioral skills. So it should be a combination of everything, right? So that will balance out the things.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Okay.
And general awareness. अब सारी skills है मान लिया, but content नहीं है. सारी skills है, बहुत अच्छी leadership है, बहुत अच्छी listening है, excellent communication है, but you are lacking content. Then what?
बिना बेसिक नॉलेज के लीडर कैसे बन जाएगा?
That's what, right? So content तो आपका foundation है, तभी तो आप उसको अपने तरीके से रखोगे. Okay. So general awareness again is very important. Okay. All right. Okay, Pallab, do you want to announce something as you were saying, or should I continue?
Yes,
All right.
Garima. I
Palak,
just
you
need
there?
10 minutes. Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Okay. Now, अब ये जो मयंक का क्वेश्चन था कि कैसे, है ना? So evaluation के जो क्राइटेरियाज होते हैं, या पलक? Sure. Go ahead. I guess Palak, questions have already started coming. So.
Hello.
Hello.
Lot of disturbances.
पलक आपका आवाज एको हो रहा है, एको.
Okay, I'll mute myself. Actually, Palak has something to announce. So, Palak, you can just unmute and tell the thing.
Yeah, but there's a lot of disturbance.
Palak, if you're logged in from 2 devices, kindly check it.
मैम एक्चुअली वो कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम से सही से नहीं है, इसके लिए वो एको कर रहा है.
Yeah, ma'am. See,
Maybe the headphone will be issue.
So, what should we do? It's
Garima, you continue. It's fine.
okay.
Reconnect कर सकते हैं मैम.
It's from the end of
voice
Palak only.
feed
actually.
actually, ma'am.
All right, so we'll continue. She'll figure it out. Okay. So we were discussing the criterias. Okay. So knowledge, leadership potential, communication skill, and social behavior or team behavior. Major criteria, self-explanatory hai, but we'll look them one by one. So knowledge means content, जिसके हम बात कर रहे थे. So deep, depth and understanding. Okay. Analytical skills, awareness, genuineness, perspectives, creativity, belief systems. So basically, कंटेंट में कितना पता है और आपके बिलीफ सिस्टम्स क्या हैं. व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय पर्सपेक्टिव्स, बिलीफ सिस्टम्स? मतलब ये कैसे क्राइटेरिया है इवैल्यूएशन का?
Maybe
पर्सपेक्टिव्स तो सबके अलग हो सकते हैं ना, बिलीफ सिस्टम भी अलग हो सकते हैं.
maybe belief system
Yeah.
deals with something related to what you believe is morally correct or not.
Yes, Venkata.
Maybe belief system is something related to what you believe is morally correct or not, ma'am.
Yes. So, what do you think ये क्या प्रोजेक्ट करता है और ये कैसे एक इवैल्यूएशन क्राइटेरिया हो सकता है? Yes. Okay. So, see, try to understand this thing कि हर किसी का अपना एक बिलीफ सिस्टम होता है और बिलीफ सिस्टम कैसे होता है, वो जिस एटमॉस्फेयर में हम बड़े हुए हैं, जो हमारी चाइल्डहुड ग्रूमिंग हुई है, जो हमारा सोशल सर्कल रहा है, जो रिलेटिव्स का सर्कल रहा है, उनके जो बिलीफ सिस्टम्स हैं, उनसे हमारे बिलीफ्स और अवेयरनेस बनती है, राइट? तो एक चाइल्ड वो उसी को सही मानेगा जो उसके पेरेंट्स सही मानेंगे और उसको गलत मानेगा जो उसके पेरेंट्स गलत मानेंगे. सो दीज आर बिलीफ सिस्टम्स. Now, when you are into a group discussion, as this Satya Sunil said, कि आप morally कितने strong हो, कितने ethical हो, what are your strong belief systems? ये चीज judge होती है from the content which you are speaking. For example, feminism एक topic है. For example, child मैरिज हो गया या फिर विडो रीमैरिज हो गया, जो सोशल सिस्टम्स, इस तरीके के जो टॉपिक्स हैं, इस पे जब एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन होगा तो जो बंदा कुछ भी बोल रहा है या जो भी बोल रहा है उससे वो क्या सोचता है वो ही तो डिस्प्ले होगा. इफ somebody is saying that yes this is right, this should happen, so अगर वो morally incorrect है so this can be a negative impact. भले ही आप genuinely बोल रहे हो, but if you are morally wrong or morally incorrect, this would be a negative impact into a group discussion. Agreed? Yes. Okay. Genuineness.
Yes,
What do you mean by genuineness?
Being truthful to the topics we present.
Mayank, any idea?
किसके बारे में?
Something?
किसके बारे में?
Genuineness.
Being truthful, being yourself.
Yes. Should be our own thoughts.
Yes, your own thoughts. You should be yourself. Basically, क्या होता है, कुछ लोग fake करने की कोशिश करते हैं, right?
Perspectives, meaning.
Yes, Diksha. So, what do you think actually? It should come from within you, and that is very well, judged by the.
What is the meaning of perspectives?
पर्सपेक्टिव. सो दीक्षा, पर्सपेक्टिव मतलब आपका व्यू पॉइंट, आपका ओपिनियन ऑन टू द टॉपिक या फॉर द टॉपिक. ओके, तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट, आपका पर्सपेक्टिव हो सकता है कि है ना वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट होना चाहिए, बहुत जरूरत है. किसी और का पर्सपेक्टिव हो सकता है कि वुमेन इज ऑलरेडी एम्पावर्ड, they are misusing the authority which has been, they are misusing the privileges which they are giving. So ये दो अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव हो गए एक चीज के. Okay, got it दीक्षा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so belief systems and basically knowledge से ये पता चलता है कि आप कितना जानते हैं और आप कैसे सोचते हैं. To summarize it, okay. Then coming to the leadership potential. So there are two abilities which are gauged when you are into a GD in evaluation round. One is functional ability and another is coordination ability. So functional ability मतलब हो गया कि आपकी energy, with what energy you are participating in GD. एक बंदा ऐसे बैठा हुआ है, right? And then GD चल रहा है, धीरे धीरे सबको सुन रहा है ऐसे 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 करके. Okay, एक तो ये बॉडी लैंग्वेज है और एक एक्टिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज है जिसमें मैं एकदम यू नो आई एम अलर्ट, आई एम इनटू एन अलर्ट स्टेज की व्हेन आई हैव टू पॉप इनटू द डिस्कशन, राइट. आई एम जस्ट यू नो फाइंडिंग अ पॉइंट कि मैं कब बोलूं, मैं किस पॉइंट पे बोलूं और मैं कैसे अपना व्यू पॉइंट रखूं. बोथ आर दी बॉडी लैंग्वेजेस, बट एक आपकी अलर्टनेस और इंटरेस्ट दिखा रहा है, एक आपका लेबैक एटीट्यूड दिखा रहा है. ओके, देन इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस इन ग्रुप डिस्कशन. कई बार क्या होता है ना कि जीडी में स्पेशली इन बॉयज, राइट. सो मैं कोई सपोज अभिजीत कुछ बोल रहा है, ठीक है, अपना पॉइंट रख रहा है, सामने से मयंक ने उसको एकदम कॉन्ट्रा के कर दिया और अभिजीत ने ओए ज्यादा बोल रहा है, राइट. So this is emotional intelligence, means you have to balance out your emotions. You have to be, you know, really in a controlled state, because ऐसा होता है especially in boys. है ना अभिजीत, किया है तुमने कभी ऐसा?
किया तो नहीं, बस वो मतलब होता है बैक ऑफ द माइंड तो लड़कों के कि डोमिनेट
गुस्सा
करना
आता है, राइट.
हाँ,
आपसे कोई अग्री नहीं कर रहा है, आपकी कोई बात काट रहा है, और जीडीज में तो ये होना ही है, सबको अपना पॉइंट प्रूव करना है. ये तो होना ही है.
एनवायरनमेंट का आदत नहीं होता है ना,
राइट. पता नहीं क्यों मुझे अभिजीत को देख के लगा कि इसने बोला होगा किसी ना किसी को.
नहीं.
Okay, just kidding. All right. So the thing is कि आपको अपने इमोशंस को कंट्रोल रखना है. It can be, you know, हो सकता है आपको कोई पॉइंट मिल ही नहीं रहा है बोलने के लिए, तो आप बहुत एंग्शियस हो गए, आप नर्वस हो गए, आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा मैं क्या करूं. हो सकता है आप इतने एक्साइटेड हो गए कि भैया किसी को आज तो मौका ही नहीं देना है, जैसे मयंक कह रहा था, मेरे को ही बोलना है, मुझे ही अटेंशन चाहिए सबका. हाँ, so this is not how it goes basically. So emotional intelligence is balancing out your emotions, controlling your emotions. कितना भी back of mind में गुस्सा आ रहा हो, but you have to be polite. No my friend, I disagree with you. हो सकता है आपका टोन थोड़ा no my friend, I disagree with you, ऐसा टोन भी हो सकता है, but you need to calm down. Okay. Communication skills, integrity का क्या मतलब है? I want to hear this thing from you people. मारुति भास्कर.
Honesty.
Honesty, integrity, honesty थोड़ा सा अलग है.
Feeling of oneness, ma'am.
Feeling of oneness in respect to group discussion. Anything else? So it's a specific thing which I want to hear regarding to the group discussion. Integrity. What's integrity?
Coordination.
Ma'am, regarding this
Coordination तो नीचे है, वो अलग है.
Ma'am, is it how honest you are when you are under pressure?
Dedication.
Ma'am, आप लोग, हाँ, yes Amit.
Ma'am, dedication. Integration means we can assume as dedication towards the work.
Dedication. आप जो definitions बता रहे हैं, as a word integrity ये सब कुछ है, honesty है, oneness है, सब कुछ है. But group discussion के perspective में integrity means having a one viewpoint. ऐसा नहीं कि ग्रुप डिस्कशन शुरू किया तब मेरा व्यू पॉइंट कुछ था और जीडी खत्म होते होते सबके थॉट सुनते सुनते मैं उल्टा ही कि हाँ नहीं नहीं ये सही कह रहे हैं, मैं अपनी बात से मैं खुद ही अपनी बात से सहमत नहीं हूँ. Okay, this should not happen in GDs because this shows your lack of confidence, lack of knowledge, as well as lack of this integrating capacity. कि अभी आपने कुछ बोला और दो लोगों ने थोड़ा जोर से कुछ बोला तो आप उनकी भाषा बोलने लग गए, right? This should not happen. This is integrity.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I have a
Shubham.
question. Actually, what if you realize in a group discussion that you had a wrong party, like your objection was wrong, and then
Yes.
what? Yeah.
So your objection can be wrong, Shubham, but your belief system cannot change, right? आप जिस चीज में एक्चुअली बिलीव करते हैं वो चीज तो नहीं फॉल्स हो सकती ना. जो आप बचपन से सोचते आए हो आप दो जनों के सोचने से बदल जाओगे.
Yeah. So.
Right?
So then.
और अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है कि आपने कोई पॉइंट स्टेट किया और आपने दूसरों की बात सुनी एंड देन यू रियलाइज कि हाँ मैं गलत था, बट इफ यू एडमिट दिस थिंग कि यस बाय लिसनिंग टू योर पॉइंट्स आई अग्री टू यू दिस थिंग, तो ये तो एक टोटली एक वो हो गया, टोटली आप अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से चेंज हो गए. सो ट्राई टू अवॉइड दैट थिंग एटलीस्ट इनटू अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन एटलीस्ट.
ओके.
यस, क्योंकि इससे ये वो कहते हैं ना थाली का बैंगन, सुना है आपने? अभी इधर अभी इधर, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर दिया इधर, अरे फिर दो लोगों ने कुछ किया फिर इधर, राइट? तो इसकी क्या गारंटी है कि आपने दो लोगों की बात सुनी, आप उनसे कन्विंस हो गए, फिर दो जने कुछ और बोलेंगे आपको, नहीं नहीं मैं तो सही सोच रहा था.
डबल ढोल के हो गया.
In a group discussion, especially when it's for evaluation, you should avoid such situations.
Admit when you are wrong.
We should admit when we are wrong. Absolutely, that shows your genuineness. But what my point is, when you are being evaluated, अगर आपने कोई point of view दे दिया है और कुछ बहुत ज्यादा इधर उधर नहीं है, then you can stay at your point when you are being evaluated. Okay, so Deeksha, it also happens many times कि बच्चे क्या करते हैं, like जो मतलब these are my real life examples in the situations which I have seen in the group discussions. So there was a discussion going on और topic बहुत ही controversial नहीं था actually. तो पूरी like it was a group of 15 people and 14 people were saying कि yes it should be done, it should happen. सिर्फ एक बंदा अटका हुआ था कि नहीं ये गलत है और सब उससे झगड़ रहे थे, राइट? ऑल्दो उसको भी ये पता था कि वो गलत है, राइट? बट ही डिडंट गिव अप. He actually didn't give up and he made his point. He gave justifications for his point. So one person against 14 people. So उसकी क्या capability display होती है इससे? Isn't it interesting कि मतलब he is going opposite to the flow. He dares to stand against the entire group. He was polite all the time. He had justifications for his point. Okay, and very politely he was refusing all the justifications made against, and he was conveying his own ideas. So he had good communication skills. But the thing is, उससे जब बाद में बात करी बोलते कि मुझे पता है मैं गलत था, but I wanted to stand out of crowd. Yes, so this also happens. Yes, Shrikant?
He should be lawyer actually.
So, but he got selected, Shrikant. Yes. Because of his other abilities to resist the pressure, to be polite when so much pressure is there. So he was not giving up. Okay. So happens. ये ऐसा भी मैं नहीं कहूंगी कि ऐसा हमेशा काम करेगा. हो सकता है कि आपका इवैल्यूएटर ही कह दे कि इतना कॉमन सेंस नहीं है कि है ना सारे यही चीज होती है और इसी के ऑपोजिट वो बोल रहा है. So it can also happen. It's a real life situation. So don't take my words on paper कि मैम ने ऐसा बोला था तो ऐसा ही करना है. So these are all situations, but yes, it did happen in front of me. Okay. So next is communication skills. So you all are aware of communication skill. सिर्फ बोलना ही नहीं, Communication, it's a skill. It's not only the articulation, that how clear you're speaking. It's also about organizing your ideas, right? किस फ्लो में आप बोल रहे हो, किस लॉजिक में आप बोल रहे हो, आज जो टॉपिक है उसके बारे में भी बोल रहे हो कि नहीं बोल रहे हो, या कुछ और ही बोल रहे हो. हाँ, इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया टॉपिक आया और इम्पैक्ट की जगह हम सोशल मीडिया के बारे में बोल रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे ये होता है और वो होता है और वो होता है. Discussion was not about social media. Discussion was about impact of social media. How relevant are you into speaking? How clear are you? How logical are you? Okay, these are all communication skills. So active listening. Active listening क्या होता है कि कई बार हमको तो बस बोलना होता है बिना सुने, right? और बिना सुने बोलना it's not active listening. जो सामने वाला जो बोल रहा है उसको कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करने के लिए आपको उसको सुनना पड़ेगा पहले, तभी तो आप उसके लाइन में कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करोगे, राइट? क्लियर आर्टिकुलेशन मीन्स हाउ क्लियर यू आर इनटू स्पीकिंग. आपकी आवाज ही किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रही, या आप इतना जल्दी बोल रहे हो कि कोई आपको फॉलो ही नहीं कर पा रहा है. एवरी लाइक इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि आपको बस ब्लर्ट आउट करना है चीजें. यू नीड टू बी क्लियर, यू नीड टू बी आर्टिकुलेटिव. अप्रोप्रिएट लैंग्वेज, पोलाइट लैंग्वेज, considerate language. Okay, then your appropriate body language. Again, जैसे eye contact की बात हो रही थी, how do you maintain eye contact when you are into a group? इसके साथ बात करेंगे वो तो easy है, but when you are into group, how will you maintain it? One by one, into a circular form, right? So you need to address everybody. Group discussions में colleges में क्या होता है, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, first time GD, छोटे बच्चे in the sense graduates जो होते हैं या first time GD देते हैं, पूरा सर्कल बैठा हुआ है, सामने दो evaluator बैठे हुए हैं और जो बोल रहा है वो सिर्फ evaluator की तरफ देख के बोल रहा है. Yes, this happens. उसको लग रहा है कि पॉइंट तो वही देने वाला है, मार्क्स तो वही देने वाला है, इनसे क्या मतलब है, तो वो उसी को देख के बात कर रहा है, राइट? But this is not it. You need to have an eye contact with everyone present in the room. Everyone. So it's better कि one by one आप जैसे भी generally circular में ही circular arrangement ही होता है, तो it's really preferred कि आप one by one सबसे eye contact करें, right? Yes, Shubham.
Can we agree with someone's argument in GD?
Yes, Shubham.
I was asking, like, can we agree with someone's argument? Like,
of course,
yeah, this guy is talking valid.
बिल्कुल
मैं agreeing with.
कर ही सकते हैं, कोई अग्री करेगा, कोई डिसएग्री करेगा, तीसरा तो ऑप्शन ही नहीं है. हमेशा डिसएग्री थोड़ी ना करते हैं, उसका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपसे सिमिलर हो सकता है.
Yeah, I mean, will it affect my valuation if I just say that I agree with this?
You know, Shubham, it happens many times. क्या होता है कि सब सोच के जाते हैं, सब बताते हैं टीचर्स कि आप है ना GD इनिशिएट करोगे ना तो आपको ज्यादा पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. ऐसा सुना ही होगा आपने, स्टार्ट करने वाले को ज्यादा पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. अब कोई टॉपिक आया, ठीक है, और शुभम, अक्षिता और दीक्षा ने सबने उस पे कुछ पॉइंट सोचा और पता चला वो तो आज सुबह की न्यूज थी, तीनों ने वो न्यूज पढ़ी थी और तीनों के पास एक ही कंटेंट था बोलने का, राइट? स्टार्ट शुभम ने बोला आज तो कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे ही स्टार्ट करना है और ये मैं बोलूंगा, ठीक है. वो टॉपिक आते ही अक्षिता ने लीड ले ली एंड शी जंप्ड इनटू द डिस्कशन. नाउ व्हाट, जो कंटेंट था वो तो गया, इनिशिएशन का चांस गया. So now what, Shubham? Now is the time when you say, yes, Akshita, I agree with your point. In fact, I was also making this point. And apart from these are also things which deduce such things, right? So it's agreeing. So it's agreeing purpose. Yes, Shubham?
So I have to add up some things into other statements. Yeah.
Of course. Repeat तो नहीं करोगे ना, add तो करना ही पड़ेगा आपको.
Yeah.
राइट और उस समय नहीं तो बाद में, बट यू कैन डेफिनेटली अग्री और डिसएग्री बट पोलाइटली. ओके,
but ma'am, not only initiator but who conclude the means this discussion successfully, that will also get good points.
Your voice is breaking. Is it only at my side? Mr. Dinesh, your voice is breaking. Actually, I'm not getting what you're saying.
Ma'am, he was saying that. Okay.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. There is
Yes,
a voice
ma'am.
voice issue in his phone. You are audible. You may continue.
She may be lost. This.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
मैम आपका
Okay.
नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
हाँ, मुझे पता लगा. I cannot do anything. Okay, so let's see. जैसे इंटरप्ट हो आप मुझे बता देना, ठीक है?
हाँ मैम.
Is my screen shared?
No,
not yet.
Oh
ma'am.
no.
Wait,
No,
wait.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Started.
Yeah. Right. So we were discussing team behavior. Okay, we were discussing communication skills. So body language, eye contact, your gestures, your postures, warning sign दे रहे हो आप किसी को ऐसे उंगली दिखा रहे हो, so not allowed. Okay, very team behavior. Okay. So team behavior is basically how you act within a group. जो social behavior की हम बात कर रहे थे, interpersonal skills इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा काम आती है. So initiation, influence, convincing skills, disagreement, disagree with politeness, conflict resolution and conclusion. तो इन सब की चीजें अपन डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रेजोल्यूशन वाज अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे सब लोग आपस में झगड़ रहे हैं. इफ यू आर एबल टू सॉर्ट इट आउट, you will be the winner of that thing. Yeah. Okay. All right. Then comes, so it's इसको अपन बहुत फटाफट देख लेते हैं. So basically क्या होता है, सबसे पहले एक टॉपिक आपको दिया जाएगा, फिर आपको थोड़ा सा कुछ GDs में टाइम देते हैं, कुछ स्पॉन्टेनियस होते हैं. So I'm telling this infographic. Then third is lead starts the discussion followed by other participants. जो generally जो leadership quality रखता है या content की awareness रखता है, he is going to start it. फिर धीरे धीरे उसमें participation होगा, फिर individual performance की judgment करी जाती है और GD को summarize करना भी एक part होता है. So either the evaluator will ask one by one कि how do you summarize this thing, or anybody can take a lead to summarize the GD. So friends, we had a really good interaction today on this topic, and I would like to summarize this thing that few of my friends suggested this thing and few suggested this thing. However, my opinion is this thing. Quick, short, crisp summary. Okay. अब topics कैसे हो सकते हैं? These can be abstract topics. A walk to remember. Topic है a walk to remember. अब आप उसको कितना creatively उस चीज पे क्या कंटेंट बोल सकते हो, दिस कैन बी अ थिंग. रेड, कलर रेड टॉपिक है, क्या बोल सकते हो आप उस पे. ओके, दीज आर एब्स्ट्रैक्ट टॉपिक्स. ग्लोबल इश्यूज पे बात हो सकती है, करंट अफेयर्स पे बात हो सकती है, लाइक साइंस ऑफ वर्ल्ड वॉर 3 या कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स गोइंग ऑन, ग्लोबल दिस पैंडेमिक एंड ऑल. सो दिस आर ग्लोबल इश्यूज. देन सोशियो इकोनॉमिक या फैक्चुअल डिस्कशंस हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी, इंडियाज GDP. ओके. Then controversial topics, feminism, reservations, and then case studies. So basically MBAs, IIMs और ISBs में case studies based discussions होते हैं generally, या फिर abstract topics पे discussion होते हैं. और बाकी सब जगह evaluation के लिए generally global issues, current affairs और factual चीजें, maybe some controversial topics also. These can be used. Preparation time, as I said, या तो वो एकदम topic float करते ही spontaneous discussion start हो सकता है, या फिर आपको हो सकता है कि 5 minutes the evaluator, you can jot down your points and then we can discuss. Few evaluators allow pen and paper and few don't. But it's always good to carry them. अगर allow कर दिया तो you can jot down your points which you have to make. Generally 15 to 30 minutes GD चलता है. Okay, so nothing as such. Now there are बहुत सारे roles होते हैं जो कि एक GD में कोई play करता है. कोई ना कोई इस किसी ना किसी category में fall करता है. So one can be a creator जिसने अपना आइडिया जनरेट किया है ना, जनरेटिंग आइडियाज और सॉल्यूशंस. फॉर एग्जांपल आपका तो अब जीडी में प्रॉब्लम ही प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस हो रही है. इफ यू कम अप विद अ सॉल्यूशन, राइट, सो इट वुड बी एन एक्स्ट्रा एज. अगर मान लो कि डाइवर्सिटी या फिर पॉपुलेशन की बात हो रही है, इंडियन राइजिंग पॉपुलेशन की बात हो रही है, और सब लोग हाँ पॉपुलेशन से ये प्रॉब्लम वो प्रॉब्लम सब यही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. इफ यू आर एबल टू गिव अ सॉल्यूशन दैट सच मेजर्स कैन बी टेकन or such things can be done to control this thing. Okay, so you would be the creator of these ideas. It will give you an extra edge. Promoters क्या होते हैं? जो कि alternatives या decisions को promote करते हैं basically. कि अच्छा ये चीज नहीं तो we can do this thing. So आप इन roles को सिर्फ एक evaluation GD के तरफ से मत देखो. यहाँ पे हम एक ग्रुप डिस्कशन की बात कर रहे हैं. इट कैन बी अ टीम मीटिंग, इट कैन बी अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट रिजोल्यूशन, इट कैन बी अ डिसीजन टेकिंग मीटिंग जो अपन ने स्टार्टिंग में डिस्कस किया था. ओके, देन असेसर होगा जो कि कंटेंट को असेस करेगा, आइडियाज को असेस करेगा, जनरली इवैल्यूएटर्स. ऑर्गेनाइजर क्या होंगे? जो कि ऑर्गेनाइजिंग इशू एंड मैनेजिंग टाइम. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जीडी में, फ्रेंड्स वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, लेट्स क्विकली समराइज द थिंग्स. मैनेजिंग टाइम. ओके, नॉट ओनली इवैल्यूएशन, आपकी टीम मीटिंग में भी या कहीं और ही जा रहा है डिस्कशन, bring them on point. Okay, then producer generates a design or model. in अगर सपोज कोई प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग डिस्कशन है तो उसमें कोई ऐसे लोग हो सकते हैं जो कि उस डिजाइन को जनरेट कर रहे हैं और अपने डिजाइन को प्रोपोगेट कर रहे हैं. कंट्रोलर विल yeah. Okay, so these are the various roles. मेंटेनर, एक डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करके चलते हैं कुछ लोग. एडवाइजर, encouragement, backup. Yes, I agree with your point. Do you have something to say? You can tell, you can put your decisions in front. Yeah, you can suggestions in front. And then the linker, so basically the coordinators. Okay, so not very important, but yes, अलग अलग तरीके के रोल्स प्ले करते हैं लोग जब एक डिस्कशन में बैठते हैं. नाउ प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है? फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट awareness. You have to be aware of the things going on in the world. बोलना बहुत आसान है, करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, but yes, अगर ग्रुप डिस्कशन होने वाला है तो एटलीस्ट उस टाइम के जो करंट अफेयर्स चल रहे हैं, जो आपके डे टू डे ग्लोबल इश्यूज चल रहे हैं, you have to be aware of these things. Okay, then you have to observe. So probably if you are going for a group discussion, especially when you would be evaluated, so see lots of videos of how discussions are actually done. ठीक है, कैसे critical comments करे जाते हैं, कैसे disagree किया जाता है, कैसे agree किया जाता है. Questions stimulate discussion, मतलब आपका discussion एक बहुत light mode में चल रहा है. So what are interesting? Do you really think that is going to work? Do you really think that the suggestion you made is agreeing to this thing? Okay, so जैसे ही आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हो या क्वेश्चन फ्लोट करते हो तो एकदम से स्टिमुलेशन आता है डिस्कशन में. ओके, हाउ टू इंटरप्ट करने के भी, यू कैन पोलाइटली इंटरप्ट, यू कैन स्ट्रांगली इंटरप्ट, बट convincing to the ideas of the social behavior. And then phrases of politeness. No, my dear friend, I'm disappointed or nahi, I'm afraid I cannot agree with you. Okay. I cannot agree more with you. Okay. Then practice, of course, confident speaking, addressing the group. Hello, everybody, right? Greetings, polite gestures, eye contact. So general things, but important things. And then सारी चीजें कर ली, but अगर participate ही नहीं करोगे, it makes no sense. Okay. Then effective beginnings and some phrases. Okay, so इसको अपन quickly देखते हैं. Effective beginning for a group discussion. अगर उस topic के relevant आपको कोई quotation याद है, अगर आप उससे start करते हो, तो additional points आप aim करना उस topic की line में. Facts and figures अगर आप state करते हैं, any shocking statement. Today's news was this, and today only I read this. Are you aware that this has happened? In line to the topic. Valuable insights. जो भी आप content बोल रहे हो, it should be valuable, it should be relevant. It should add on to the discussion. Okay. Then your viewpoints and maybe a short story. Short story, आजकल storytelling का बहुत शौक हो रहा है सब लोगों को. So maybe you can use it into an effective beginning of a GD. Now, here on the right side, you'll see some phrases which can be used. जैसे कि आप opinions दे रहे हैं. From my point of view, okay. To my mind, I honestly think that, I feel that, personally speaking, I believe onto this thing. As for me, I reckon. Okay. So these are some phrases which can be used to give your opinion. अगर आप किसी का opinion पूछ रहे हो किसी discussion में, what do you think about this thing? Do you see what I'm getting at? Do you agree with me? What are your thoughts? Okay. Agree अगर आप किसी से कर रहे हो, जैसे who was asking right now, कि हमें किसी के शुभम किसी के पॉइंट से हमें अग्री करना है. I agree with you. I totally agree. I couldn't agree more, but then this thing. I feel the same. है ना? Yes, we are on same page. No doubt about it. Absolutely, definitely. All verbal signals to tell that yes, you are trying to make the same point which has already been made. Disagreeing. ये सबसे ज़्यादा crucial है. क्योंकि जनरली ऐसा होता ही है ग्रुप डिस्कशंस में कि आप लोगों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से डिसएग्री करते हो बिकॉज यू हैव योर ओन ओपिनियंस. तो उसको डिसएग्री करने के भी पोलाइट वेज होते हैं. सो दीज आर सम पोलाइट फ्रेजेस. आई एम अफ्रेड आई डिसएग्री. आई डोंट अग्री विथ यू. I'd be inclined to disagree. That's not way I see it, right? I don't think so. I don't feel the same. Sorry, but I do not feel the same. So polite ways of disagreeing. Hardly, yes.
Sometimes we hear this thing. They say let's agree to disagree. So in that case, what should we do? Should we say no? I absolutely do not agree. Even
so, it would be your viewpoint, no?
Yeah.
मतलब आप क्या करना चाहते हो? आप agree करना चाहते हो कि disagree करना चाहते हो, right? So it's completely your viewpoint. अगर पूरे ग्रुप ने डिसाइड कर लिया let's agree to disagree, इसका क्या मतलब हुआ कि किसी एक पॉइंट पे सब लोग मिलकर डिसएग्री कर रहे हैं, राइट? यही मतलब हुआ agree to disagree. Yes, Shubham?
I mean, let's agree to have disagreement along, like everyone should have their own opinion and then we are fine with it. So that kind of thing.
Everybody can have their own opinions. You mean to say this?
Yeah, in that situation.
Yeah. So Shubham, the thing is कि आपका जो भी opinion है, it's not, ये बिल्कुल कंपल्सरी नहीं होता. ग्रुप डिस्कशन होता ही इस चीज के लिए है. ओके. सो अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन हुआ कि पूरा ग्रुप एक चीज डिसाइड कर रहा है सिर्फ आपके सिवाय, ठीक है, सो बट यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन, ग्रुप उसके अंदर है और वो चीज डिसाइड हुई है, तो यू हैव टू अग्री टू इट, बट पर्सनली यू आर नॉट अग्रीइंग टू इट. तो आपको अपना ओपिनियन तो रखना है, बट बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक ट्रिप प्लान हो रही है, उसका ग्रुप डिस्कशन हो रहा है. ट्रिप पे ये डिस्कशन में ये डिसाइड हुआ कि मैनेजमेंट आधा पे करेगा और आधा एम्प्लॉइज पे करेंगे. ओके. बट यू डिसएग्री, यू से कि नहीं सारा मैनेजमेंट को ही करना चाहिए। अब डिस्कशन का कंक्लूजन ये निकला कि नहीं अब यही होगा, मैनेजमेंट आधा पे करेगा एंड यू वुड बी पेइंग हाफ ऑफ द अमाउंट। ओके, सो सिंपल कि आपको अपना ओपिनियन तो बताना ही है, बट यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन फर्दर टू इट, राइट? सो यू कैन सिंपली स्टेट जैसे कि ओके फाइन, although I personally do not agree to this thing, but if the group decides, I'll have to follow this thing. तो इससे आपने ओपिनियन भी स्टेट किया है, बट बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव एनी ऑप्शन, क्योंकि मेजॉरिटी की तरफ ही जाता है ग्रुप, सो दैट वुड बी टेकन अहेड, राइट शुभम?
Yeah.
ओके, सो देयर कैन बी सिचुएशंस जहाँ पे आप पार्टली अग्री कर रहे हैं कि मतलब हाँ ठीक है कुछ हद तक तुम ठीक हो, बट इसमें ऐसा, so maybe you can add on to your facts and figures. So I see your point, but I kind of agree with you, but these are also the points to remember. Okay, so such phrases make you look polite, basically. Ethical and etiquettes. Now what are the do's? Dress up first and foremost. Why do you need to dress up? इंटरव्यू हो चाहे आपका इंटरेक्शन हो चाहे आपका ग्रुप डिस्कशन हो, योर ड्रेसिंग शोज दैट हाउ इंटरेस्टेड यू आर, हाउ प्रिपेयर्ड यू आर। ओके, देन कैरी पेन एंड पेपर। स्टार इसलिए लगाया है क्योंकि जरूरी नहीं है वो अलाउड हो, बट यू शुड हैव इट विथ यू। बी ऑन टाइम, लिसन टू दी टॉपिक केयरफुली, डू नॉट हेस्ट टू इनिशिएट। कई बार जैसा अपन ने बचपन से सीखा है, शुरू करोगे ज्यादा मार्क्स, शुरू करोगे ज्यादा मार्क्स, तो कई बार हमें इतनी जल्दी होती है स्टार्ट करने की कि हमने स्टार्ट करते ही गलत पॉइंट बता दिया, गलत पॉइंट बोल दिया, वी जस्ट ब्लर्टेड आउट जस्ट इन दी हरी टू स्टार्ट द डिस्कशन, तो वो तो एंटायरली आपके लिए अनफेवरेबल हो जाएगी चीज, राइट? एक्टिव लिसनिंग, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस थिंग। You are not the only speaker. You should give chance to other group members. Once you have made your points, आपको वो chance देना है अपने group members को, ठीक है? So this is my, I think I am correct in my opinion, but I welcome your ideas as well. Okay? So आपने अपना point बनाया, आप कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा है, तो आप chance pass करो। Practice good team leadership and interpersonal skills जो अपन ने पहले डिस्कस किया था, राइट? बी ओपन टू क्रिटिसिज्म, ये बहुत जरूरी है। जहाँ पे अपन इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस डिस्कस कर रहे थे, पीपल कैन क्रिटिसाइज यू, राइट? पीपल कैन एक्चुअली डोमिनेट यू, पीपल कैन एक्चुअली डिसएग्री विथ यू। उस चीज को हैंडल करना आना चाहिए, आना पड़ेगा बेसिकली, इफ यू वांट टू बी इनटू अ डिस्कशन। आप आउटराइटली रूम से उठ के बाहर नहीं जा सकते, दिस इज अ वेरी नेगेटिव साइन कि आप रिसेप्टिव नहीं हो औरों के ओपिनियन के लिए। अगर आप रिसेप्टिव ही नहीं हो तो आप डिस्कशन कर क्यों रहे हो, राइट? देन बी पोलाइट एंड पेशेंट। सो दीज आर द डूज, एंड डोंट लूज योर टेम्पर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। डोंट शाउट। तुमको समझ में नहीं आता है क्या मैं बार बार एक ही चीज बोल रहा हूँ? तुमको समझ में नहीं आता है, isn't it very obvious? So these are some dominating signs and इमोशनल जो इंटेलिजेंस, वीक इमोशनल बैलेंस के साइंस है ये, राइट? देन डोंट ट्राई टू डोमिनेट, ट्राई टू बी असर्टिव। असर्टिव और डोमिनेट करने में बहुत डिफरेंस है। असर्टिव इज दैट यू आर फर्मली पुटिंग योर पॉइंट, बट डोमिनेटिंग इज कि नहीं मैं ही सही हूँ, यू आर नॉट ओपन, यू आर नॉट पॉजिटिव। ओके, डोंट बी इररेलेवेंट। जो टॉपिक है उसी के लाइन पे अपन को डिस्कशन रखना है। बी सेलेक्टिव। व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस? Kaushik, can you add on to this thing? You need to be selective. No?
Actually, ma'am.
Anybody? You need to be selective while speaking.
Ma'am, there are lots of points, but we have to give specific importance point. Take.
Yes. Yes.
Actually, ma'am, speaking to a very selective point. Actually, which one I just selected, I need to speak that, not any others one or any others.
So selective means, now see, there is lot of information available with us, right? तो अगर किसी चीज पे डिस्कशन हो रहा है तो you need to select only important and good points. हर चीज बोलने की नई रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। You need to be very critical on what you are saying. Okay, that's being selective. And don't be flat-faced. Flat-faced क्या होता है? No expressions. जो चल रहा है चलने दो, दीन दुनिया से अलग। Okay, don't be flat faced, be very enthusiastic. Your energy will matter. आप कितना mentally और physically energetic हैं group discussion में, that will matter. So I can see many flat faces here. I cannot see many faces here right now. Okay, so these indicates lot of things to the evaluator or to the person on the other side. Now see, कोई यहाँ पे बोल रहा है his points are invalid. Okay, when will I get my chance? When will I speak? I am right, I know everything. Is literally yelling. ऐसे लोग भी होते हैं जीडी में, पूरा चिल्लाना शुरू कर देंगे कि मैं सही हूँ, मेरी बात सुनो. Okay, then I should change my view, but could it be right? तो ये जो अपन बात कर रहे थे integrity वाली, I am not interested. Flat faced, चल मरने दो, लड़ने दो इन लोगों को, I am not interested. Okay, so all negative signs of a into a GD. Okay. 7 mistakes to avoid. So we are towards the end of the this discussion. Stop taking leads if you do not know much. टॉपिक नहीं पता है, पर ये बोला था मेरे बॉस ने या मेरी सीनियर ने या मेरे टीचर ने कि भाई तू स्टार्ट कर देना, मार्क्स तेरे. अब टॉपिक के बारे में ही मुझे नहीं पता है, तो हाउ वुड आई स्टार्ट? बट जस्ट फॉर द सेक ऑफ स्टार्टिंग, शुड आई से एनीथिंग? Should I not?
No.
Of course, it doesn't make any sense, right? In fact, you will lose your ball from the court. आपको फिर चांस नहीं मिलेगा. आपने ओपन करते ही कुछ गलत बोल दिया, नेगेटिव बोल दिया, या उससे उसको वैल्यूएटर को पता चल गया भैया इसको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं है, इसको टॉपिक ही समझ में नहीं आया, जस्ट सेइंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ सेइंग इट, राइट? सो दिस इज अ बिग मिस्टेक जो होती ही है. लोग करते हैं एक्साइटमेंट में, क्योंकि बहुत स्ट्रांगली माइंड में बैठा हुआ है स्टार्ट करोगे मार्क्स मिलेंगे, है ना? तो नहीं होता है ऐसा.
मैम जीडी के अंदर
Do not hesitate to initiate the discussion. अब इसका opposite scenario. Yes. Okay, let me complete this thing, then we'll discuss. So do not hesitate to initiate the discussion. अब इसका opposite scenario क्या है कि content है मेरे पास, I understand everything, I am not confident, right? कि मैं start करूँ कि नहीं करूँ, should मैं इधर उधर देख रही हूँ, should I start, should I not, is it the right time? Okay, do not hesitate. Discussion start हो गया, evaluator ने बोल दिया please proceed, please go ahead. If you have content, if you had valid points, do not hesitate, right? You should hesitate if you do not know about it. Do not copy anyone's else ideas or comments. Act smart. Act smart का क्या मतलब है? There might be situations कि किसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन हो रहा है जो हमें नहीं पता है. जरूरी नहीं है ना हम सब चीजों से अवेयर हो, राइट? तो अब हमें नहीं पता है तो हम कैसे एक्ट स्मार्ट करेंगे? What can we do in such situation?
Just listening to them.
Yes, we should first listen to them.
Now, I have no update about this.
You have no
Update.
You have no update. ऐसा नहीं बोलना है जीडी में. I have no update about this. अगर evaluation हो रहा है तो बोलेंगे we have no marks about this. ऐसे नहीं होता है. Act smart का क्या मतलब है कि कोई टॉपिक डिस्कस हो रहा है, listen and then form your views, right? अब है ना क्या होता था कॉलेज में कि हम लोगों के बैच में टॉपिक दे दिया क्रिकेट से रिलेटेड, सारे बॉयज हल्ला गुल्ला शुरू और सारी गर्ल्स चुपचाप बैठी हैं, कुछ पता ही नहीं है क्रिकेट के बारे में क्या बोलना है. इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ना, अवेयरनेस भी नहीं है, इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है, क्या बोले? बट दैट्स द टाइम व्हेन यू नीड टू एक्ट स्मार्ट. आपने 2-3 व्यूज सुने, अपना एक व्यू पॉइंट बनाया, कुछ तो बोला, चुप रहने से अच्छा आपने कुछ तो बोला, राइट? और इतने भी इलिटरेट हम नहीं है कि 2-3 जनों की बातें सुनेंगे और हमें समझ में नहीं आएगी चीज, राइट? बट कौन बोला था? मारुति. ऐसे नहीं बोलना है कि आई डोंट हैव एनी अपडेट्स, आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट इट, right?
But Garima, in that case,
do not avoid eye contact with other.
Hello, Garima.
Yes, sir.
In that case, we can tell that I will try to say whatever I know on that thing.
जरूरत नहीं है ना, वट एवर आई नो तो आप बोलोगे ही ना, ये स्टेटमेंट बनाने की कहाँ जरूरत है,
Group discussion.
right?
Right.
Whatever you know, whatever you are grasping out of the group, just say about it. Why do you want to give that impression कि मुझे नहीं आता है फिर भी मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ बोलने की, right? Right, Shrikant?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. अच्छा, ये स्पेसिफिक केसेस हैं जब आप इवेल्युएट हो रहे हैं. अगर ये नॉर्मल बिजनेस डिस्कशंस है, मीटिंग डिस्कशंस है, देन इट्स क्वाइट फेयर कि भाई आई वाज नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस थिंग, वो तो ठीक है. बट इवेल्युएशन में आपको यू नीड नॉट शो योरसेल्फ कि आई एम नॉट अवेयर. ओके, ट्राई तो कर ही सकते हैं, बाकी नहीं पता तो फिर नहीं पता, फिर तो कुछ, फिर तो भगवान भी कुछ नहीं कर सकता. ओके, ऑलराइट. फिर आता है आपका डू नॉट लूज कॉन्फिडेंस उनका कंटेंट भी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. तो धीरे धीरे आपको क्या लगता है, आप डिमोटिवेटेड हो जाते हो. यू ट्राई, यू नो, यू आर ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ लूजिंग योर कॉन्फिडेंस. यार मुझे चांस ही नहीं मिल रहा है, फिर आपका माइंड चलने लग जाता है कि अब मैं कैसे बोलूं, क्या करूं, राइट? नीड नॉट डू इट. बी कॉन्फिडेंट एंड ट्राई टू टेक द चांस. ठीक है, किसी भी इवैल्यूएशन में इफ यू आर एबल टू पॉप इन अराउंड 2 to 3 टाइम्स, फेयर इनफ. 15 मिनट सबके पास होते हैं, 15 जने हैं, 1 मिनट से ज्यादा किसी को मिलना नहीं है एवरेज. ओके, उसमें से भी कुछ लोग हो जाते हैं तो 15 के 8 मिनट तो वही लेके जाएंगे. ओके, सो इफ यू आर एबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट योर ओपिनियंस, कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि आप बस एक बार ही आपको चांस मिलता है, बट आपका कंटेंट और पॉइंट इतना स्ट्रांग हो कि वो एक बार में ही आपने प्रूव कर दिया कि यस यू आर नॉलेजेबल एंड अवेयर इनफ एंड यू हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. दैट्स इट. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको दूसरा चांस नहीं मिला तो अब आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा, ऐसा नहीं होता है. जो अपन ने 4 पैरामीटर्स डिस्कस किए थे, नॉलेज, लीडरशिप, कम्युनिकेशन एंड इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स, ऑल स्किल्स हैव इक्वल वेटेज. ओके, देन डू नॉट स्पीक स्लोली. ग्रुप डिस्कशन में स्लोली बोलने, अब आप वाजपेयी बन जाओ ग्रुप डिस्कशन में, चलेगा क्या? टाइम ही नहीं है ना, इवैल्यूएटर के पास टाइम है. आप एक वर्ड से दूसरे वर्ड के बीच में 10 जने बोल जाएंगे, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी मॉडरेट इनटू स्पीकिंग एंड देन ट्राई टू कंट्रीब्यूट इनटू द डिस्कशन रादर देन जस्ट स्पीक. कुछ लोग को सिर्फ बोलना होता है, वो सिर्फ बोलेंगे, वो कुछ भी बोलेंगे, टॉपिक से कोई लेना देना नहीं है उनको. That does not add to any points. Content should be relevant and critical and selective as well, जैसा अपन ने discuss किया, right? So we have to keep in mind our attitude, being positive, being genuine, speak point to point, be very clear and articulative. Clarity is very important. आप कई लोग क्या बोलते हैं उनको खुद को ही समझ में नहीं आता, दूसरों को क्या समझ में आएगा. Okay? Need to be very clear articulation, creating structures. Structures matlab logical flow. You need to be careful of everything, your body language, how you're sitting, open body language, closed body language, right? Hands, generally अपन कहते हैं कि hands ऐसे करके नहीं बैठना चाहिए, legs fold करके नहीं बैठना चाहिए. You should have an open body language. Okay, so you need to be very careful. You need to be careful of your shoes you wear, the dress, your attire for the group discussion. अगर आप अपने ग्रुप डिस्कशन में स्टैटिस्टिक्स, फैक्ट्स, फिगर्स और एग्जांपल्स, इनसे आप अगर उस ग्रुप के मोशन को सपोर्ट कर सकते हो, नथिंग बेटर देन दैट, बिकॉज इट डिस्प्लेज योर डेप्थ एंड एनालिटिकल स्किल्स. अगर पॉपुलेशन की बात हो रही है एंड इफ यू आर एक्चुअली अवेयर, आपने प्रिपरेशन करी है, तो आप अगर ट्रेंड से अवेयर हैं कि इतना परसेंट राइज हुआ है, जीडीपी की बात हो रही है, इफ यू आर एबल टू टेल द करंट जीडीपी, previous year GDP and compare it and then tell ki see compare the GDPs and so India is progressing or it's not progressing, you are given a justification of your point, you are supporting your point with these statistics, so that makes a huge impact and huge difference. Okay, अब एक तो जीडीपी की डेफिनेशन बोल रहा है और एक जीडीपी की स्टैटिस्टिक्स दे रहा है. Who do you think would win the edge?
Statistics.
Of course, डेफिनेशन तो सबको ही पता है ना, स्टैटिस्टिक्स नहीं पता है सबको. Okay. Then eye contact and be formal. You have to be formal. बहुत अरे यार तेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या? अरे यार ऐसे नहीं होता. I don't agree with you. ऐसे नहीं. You need to be formal. The language which you are using, your body posture, everything should be very formal because everything is being evaluated. Okay. अब मुझे बताओ इसमें से कितने टॉपिक्स के बारे में आपको पता है? We are not discussing. It's just to check your own awareness. Digital, suppose this is a topic. Digital detox is the need of the hour. Would you be able to start the discussion or tell something about it?
Yeah.
Yes, Shubham?
Bitcoins.
हाँ. Bitcoins नहीं अभी तो अपन digital detox की बात कर रहे हैं.
So I would start with
Okay, right. अपन discuss नहीं कर रहे हैं. Just check yourself. Okay.
Yeah.
Bitcoins, should it be banned? Gig economy, boon or bane? How many of you know about this word, gig economy?
Yes, I have heard.
Abhijit have heard. Okay.
I heard.
So, is metaverse taking the youth in right direction? Have you heard about metaverse?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. हाँ, youth है ना, ये तो पता ही है. हाँ. The Great Resignation is the learning for the. Is it the learning for the world? Have you heard about this phrase, Great Resignation?
Yes.
Yes. तो कुछ लोगों ने सुना है, कुछ काफी लोगों ने नहीं सुना है. You can take a screenshot of this thing just for your awareness, and you can actually search about these things. Trendy words. और आजकल आप जिस भी डिस्कशन में जाओगे ये ट्रेंडिंग चीजें ही डिस्कस होगी. To check your awareness. अब गिग इकोनॉमी आप में से मैक्सिमम किसी ने नहीं सुना, तो दिस शोज दैट यू आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ दिस थिंग और इवैल्यूएटर को एक पॉइंट मिल गया. अब ऐसे सिनेरियो में अगर एक बंदा भी निकलता है जिसको इसके बारे में पता है, हो गया डिस्कशन खत्म.
मग तू काय त्याला सांगतेस?
Please mute yourself.
Please mute.
Yeah, I've muted. All right. Okay. So this was two. So
Bye.
here is the end of the discussion. Good rule for discussion is to use hard facts and a soft voice. Who's this? Okay. Hard facts and soft voice is the rule of the group discussion. Agree? क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? Hard facts and a soft voice.
Hard fact.
Good rule for discussion is to use hard facts and a soft voice.
Can I say?
Yes, of course.
Yes, hard facts.
Who's speaking?
Hard facts. I'm Shrikant speaking.
Yes.
Yes, hard facts. In this context, hard facts is related to the content we will be discussed, and the soft voice is how we communicate in which tone.
Right. So hard facts मतलब statistics, shocking news, quotations, जो भी चीजें अपन relevant information, okay, and soft voices being polite, right? So that's the rule for the discussion. You need to be strong in content but soft in voice. So this is just for you all. Watch for your words, for they become words.
Garima,
yes, Shrikant.
can you please also share the another file or another list for group discussion?
Another
the
list.
For
Shrikant, I'll just Google them. It's not so difficult. Just Google it. मैंने भी तो Google से ही निकाले.
Plenty of options मिल जाएगा आपको Google.
Plenty of options. List मिलेगी. 2020, 2022 की list. Right.
Yes, but you are actually connecting with the corporates, and you know very
Nothing
well that.
so. कितना भी big corporate हो श्रीकांत, सब Google ही करते हैं topics.
Yes. आपको
Right.
अलग-अलग blog मिल जाएंगे, अलग-अलग blog writers.
Yes. Lots of information. In fact, for these topics, you'll also get the supporting, points to discuss.
Exactly.
So whenever you are appearing for any GD, do go through the trending topics और उसके supporting आपको plus मतलब उसके for में बोलना है कि against में बोलना है, आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा नेट पे, है ना? तो ये तो गूगल बाबा है श्रीकांत, right? Okay, so this is a quotation for you all. This is our last class today, so probably I won't be interacting you further. So this is my last session with you all, and I brought this thing. Watch your thoughts, for they become words. Watch your words, for they become actions. Watch your actions, for they become habits. Watch your habits, for they become character. And watch your character, for it becomes your destiny. So your thoughts are related to your destiny. Yes? Everything is related.
Yes, I strongly agree with you.
Yes. So be positive and be always cheerful. Try to be happy even in sad times, bad times. Agar attitude positive hai, you will be able to conquer yourself, right? So this is it from my side, students, and it was really very nice interacting with you all. Any questions so far?
Ma'am, actually I had a question about this imagine.
शुभम, आपने ये तो बोला नहीं, कोटेशन इतना अच्छा है, सीधा क्वेश्चन. मैं इतनी मेहनत से ढूंढ के लेके आई हूँ.
No, it was really good, ma'am. Actually, I was really impressed in the last one. Like,
अब बोला है जब मैंने बोला है. हाँ? All right. So what's the question?
It's really good.
it was really good.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
Really
Deepika.
good, ma'am.
Yeah, Shubham. What's
Really
the
good
question?
session.
Appreciation on demand.
Shubham, I'm not getting your voice. Actually, my internet is unstable. But
Can you
हाँ,
hear
अब
me?
बोलो वापस.
Ma'am, I had a question about this Imagine XP placement exam. And,
Hello.
Actually, Palak had to address.
Yeah, that's why I'm here. Just
Palak,
give me
are
two-
you there?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes. Now please go ahead with the
Okay, sure.
discussion.
Yeah. So first of all, I would like to thank Garima for this presentation, and thank you all, everyone, to join this. So बात तो सबने मुझसे की होगी. True. I keep giving reminders to people to you know to attend the sessions. But then अभी next क्या है? जैसे ही अभी आप this is our second last session, as I told you, right? So the last session is tomorrow. Kindly, I request everyone. We won't be able to give further reminders to you for the next session. We'll be emailing you for this, but then I think for so short of time, then we won't be able to call you. So please be on time tomorrow at 7 for the last session of Campus to Corporate program, right? And this is our next, session for Campus to Corporate program, which is our assessment test, which you all are asking about. This is our test, which will lead to you to the placement, right? So how it will go? This assessment will be of 100 marks. That will be on 26th of this month. 26th of this month. I have also updated on my coach app. You can check it out on my coach. So the section goes, you can also take the screenshot of this or you can note it down. So the section, there are 5 sections, 20 marks each section and 10 questions each. So section 1 is general aptitude. Section 2 is logical reasoning. Section 3 is verbal ability. Verbal ability, from this I mean sentence completion or text completion or RCs. And section 4 is general knowledge. And section 5 is technical or business skills, which can include Excel or business ecosystems or economy or email etiquettes, which you have already, you have studied in this Campus to Corporate thing. So the next test will be, first will be your assignment. The second will be the first will be your assessment. The second will be your assignment, which will also consist of 100 marks and the timing would be 1 hour. So you can see the screen, the question number 2. 2 questions will be there, 50 marks each. And the question number 1 will be behavioral case study. That will be of half an hour. Dilemma situations will be there. For example, some case studies will be there related to your business. Some situation will be given to you. Like, for example, you're working in a corporate. So a current situation will be there to deal with. So you have to answer there and then. You will be given half an hour for this question, and then 1 essay will be there. Second question will be there, and it will also consist of half an hour and 50 marks. Then once you will clear this round, 2 rounds, that is of 26th of this month and 27th, then we will move to interview rounds. So interview rounds, that is of 1 hour and 30 grades. So what will come under this will consist of 3 rounds. Interview is 1, but then rounds will be 3 on the same day. Date is yet to decide by us, right? So the round number 1 is sub round 1, behavioral interview round. Like, for example, communication skills, attitude, psychology, why you don't want to do this job, career prospects, ethics and value systems, define your value system, and so on. Then social work. Have you ever done any social work in your life? So if so, you can tell your story. Round 2, sub round 2, business case study, that will be of 15 minutes. So top consulting case studies will be given. You can also check it out on the internet, or you can Google it. You can prepare. That's why I'm telling you all this, so that you can, prepare. So sub round 3 for round number 1 is technical business knowledge. This will also consist of 15 minutes, sorry. So this will consist of just the basics, basic Google search ability, analytical ability, basic tools like MS Excel, the Office thing, MS PowerPoint presentations, and so on. So this will be, with this we will end our internal process of campus to corporate program. First will be your assessment, second will be your assignment, and third will be your interview. So for first 2, we have decided the dates, and we have also put it down on your My Coach app. That is 26th and 27th. I'll also I'll be sending you the emails also for this, and you can prepare meanwhile. And the last will be a general discussion round, in which there will be a general discussion with the panelists to know about the best company for you to be placed at, right? We will know what type of interest you are having, what package you are currently, if you are working, then what package you are already taking, and which companies are best for you, what type of profile you'll be taking. So this will be have a specific person in that placement team, so he'll be taking this general discussion round. So with this we will end our internal process. After completion of this internal process, the candidates, those who will clear this assessment and assignment and interview schedule, we will forward the resumes to the the corporates, to different MNCs like Infosys, Capgemini, Entity Data, and so on, with these companies. But then it will completely depend on the internal process of ours. So any questions you have?
Pallav?
Yeah.
Yes, actually, I'm Shrikant here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am having experience more than 3+ years, and since 2019, I am not working, but I am working as part-time with corporates. And meanwhile, I was pursuing full-time MBA, and I completed MBA in 2020, in the year 2020, and I joined this PGDM program.
Actually, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but I know your current situation, because I also had a word with you on telephone regarding this. If I'm not wrong, you're asking about this, your current, what you will be doing in the current. So this will be discussed with the panelist only.
Okay.
So this you have to discuss at the time of your interview. This is a general discussion round.
Ma'am, regarding the assessment.
Yes, please.
Palak, can I leave now?
Yes, sure, Garima, you can. Thank you so
All right.
much.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you,
ma'am. Thank you
It
very
was
much.
really nice. All the best for your internal assessment.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Look, can you just stop sharing the screen? I want a photograph with all.
Okay, sure.
Can you please switch on your cameras for a photograph?
Sure, ma'am.
All right.
मैम मैं आ रहा हूँ ना.
Thank you. Bye-bye. All the best.
Thank you for tolerating us.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was amazing to interact with you all.
Thank you.
Okay,
Bye, ma'am.
bye.
Bye.
I'm leaving. I won't waste time of Palak.
No problem at all. So please unmute your, mute yourself. I'll just take 2 minutes of yours. Just mute yourself. Yes. So the one who was asking the question, she can ask.
Hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this is Siddhi.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
just wanted to ask about the assessment thing. Everything will be online. Will be teachers and all staying online, and they'll see what the answers are there. And this you said we'll get some case studies in the assessment thing, and we
Mhm.
have to solve them, and some
It,
situations will be given. So we
yeah.
have to interact that time also with the teachers.
No, it's not with the teachers. We are having our internal panel, right? And you have to, first of all, this assessment and assignment kind of thing will be on MyCoachApp. Soon,
Okay.
once you will open this MyCoachApp, one pop-up will be there. You can check it out after this session also. So in that session, you'll see that two pop-ups are there for 26th session and 27th session. So 26th will be your
Ma'am, sorry to
assessment.
interrupt.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry to interrupt, but I'm asking about the assessment thing, which you said it will be held on 26th April.
Yeah.
The assessment thing, you said some dilemma core situations will be given, some case studies will be given. So we have to write it, we have to type the answers,
Yes,
or we have
yes.
to tell the answers. What
You have to
that's-
type the answers in this section, but then in this interview round, you have to tell also, because then you can see these case studies are given. So that time you
yes.
have to, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, hello, ma'am.
Hello. Yes.
Yeah, it's regarding assessment only. How the assessment will be done. I don't have the details of this. And today, in fact, this was my third class, and it came very sudden. And after the assignment submission is also very near. I mean, tomorrow is the last date. So we'll get 5 days, 4 days of time for assessment, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
So in that case, I want to have a pro forma of assessment as how we can prepare for some time for the assessment.
You can prepare. So this is the document. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So you can prepare. You can jot down these topics, or you can take the screenshot of this. Yeah.
But it will take a lot of time. No, can we get details over mail or what?
See, time. It will take time. So nothing is shortcut, right?
Maybe, ma'am, you can put this document on the MyCoachApp.
Okay, you want this document for this?
Yeah.
You can take the screenshot. I was saying. You can take the photo, right? Or I can share you in the email as well if you want.
Yes, ma'am. Please share me.
Not an issue. I will. What I'll do is tomorrow I'll be emailing you all for 27th session. For tomorrow's session, I'll attach this document also with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Will that be fine?
Yeah, that's very nice, ma'am.
Answer like typing or typing where? Where we'll type this thing?
In the app.
In the app itself, there will be
Okay, in the
quiz designed by us. Some questions will be like MCQs. Some will be like you have to write it. The space will be given to write.
Okay. And this
Ma'am, what about
camera
the-
will be
Madam,
on,
this is online now, na?
Yes, it's online. It's online.
Ma'am, regarding the case study and the essay, we have to write the whole document in the app itself.
Yes,
How
yes.
will type, ma'am, through mobile?
Typing on mobile will be very difficult. Such a long.
You can use your laptops for that. No, not an issue. We have not asked you to not to use your laptops, but then this app is basically more relevant to your mobile phones. That's why I was asking you to
Yeah,
use the
it was
mobile
not
phones.
getting. Yeah, ma'am. I tried, but it was not getting installed on my laptop.
No, you don't have to install it. You just have to log in it on your laptop. Just put login with your name and password, which I have already shared with you on your email IDs.
But until and unless that app is installed in the laptop, how can we log in to the laptop?
You can log into the direct link.
Direct link is there on in this.
Okay.
You just have to Google it. Just give me a minute.
It is a web link from laptop. You can log in through web
Open
link.
the mail and directly I will log in and get into the apps. No.
Just give me a minute. I'll tell you if you if you're facing some issues. No, not an issue. Kindly mute yourself. Actually See, you have to type my coach app login. So it's given Imagine XP Live. Can you see that? So you just have to click this, right? And see, login with username and password. So mine is already been added. So I just click on this. And the next step is you have to click on Campus to Corporate Readiness, right? And just see the this side, Campus to Corporate Placement Quiz. This is the first test, but then it will not be opened right now. It will just be appeared at the time of the quiz only on 26th at 7 p.m.
Do we have any kind of pre-final or demo test?
I have given you the topics. See, this is all I can do for you. I have given you the topics, so you can prepare accordingly. Right? Have you taken the photographs for this?
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you just show me where is all the recordings?
Okay, recordings. Yeah, that was also main question for you. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Madam, please also put this document here somewhere on this. My coach.
Actually, we can't, but then I'll just share you on your emails. That would be more convenient. But then if you could take the photos, more convenient.
Yes, photo already taken, but it is not coming in a single screen.
Okay, no problem. I'll guide you, no problem. So you just have to click on Campus to Corporate Readiness on your mobile phones or your laptops, right? Then you have to click on Live Session Content. Can you see this? Live Session Content. Just click on this. And these are the sessions which I have uploaded. These are the recordings which I have uploaded. I'll just click on once. So much of disturbance is coming. Can you please mute yourself? So see, these are the recordings given here. Now everything is clear. Students
Ma'am,
are
the previous session is not uploaded on the.
Yeah, it's only 6 sessions are uploaded. We are still
ma'am.
waiting for 7th and 8th recording. I'll update I think in 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, can you please show the
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
presentation?
One more thing regarding the exam. There are like maybe 80 or 90 people. So will there be a time slot? We'll do it simultaneously.
No, you can do it simultaneously. If there are 200 people also, they can do it simultaneously.
Okay.
We have built this app, My Coach app, in such a way you can do it. That's not
In
an
a
issue.
real-time examination.
Yeah.
Can you show again
That test?
Yeah.
Is there any other I'm not able to hear you all. Please mute yourself. So this is the test. Campus to Corporate Placement Quiz. First section is assessment. That will be of 100 marks. Second, I am repeating it again. Second is assignment. That is also of 1 hour and 100 marks. 2 questions will be there. One is of case study and one will be an essay of half an hour. And next is interview round. So these first, second will be on My Coach app, right? Quiz and assignment will be on My Coach. And for interviews we will create, this will be online only. We'll create certain rooms for this, and we'll keep adding people in this interview rooms for the interviews. So this is these 2 are for My Coach app only, first 2, the assignment and the assessment.
Palak, can you please explain the top consulting case studies thing?
See, you just have to type on Google the top consulting case studies. Okay. The top companies. This means this is for my reference because I have to put some questions. So this is for my reference only. But then what you will do is put on Google, type it out that what are the top consulting case studies. Like, for example, EY is a company. So
Yes.
what case studies EY as a HR of EY is giving to people at the time of interview? What case studies they are putting in the assignments or the interviews? So that level we will be matching here, because we want you to prepare for the top MNCs.
Okay. Ernest and Young, am I right?
Yeah.
EY.
Entity Data, Capgemini, Wipro, so many more we are. So I think, yeah.
Ma'am, in case you have unable to attend on the date 26 and 27, do you have any other chances to attend this assessment?
Only one chance is given.
And Palak, one thing I want to ask that when will be results of second semester will be there?
Results will be given after 2 to 3 days.
No, I am asking the PGDM result. Now I gave the second semester exam.
No, Shrikant, your name is Shrikant, right? Shrikant, actually I am from Imagine XP. I'm not from MIT. I'm just coordinating with Mehaj Bin, your coordinator from MIT. So I'm not the right person for this. You can ask this question from Mehaj Bin. Yeah.
I thought that
No. I'm from Imagine XP. This my coach thing is my thing. So we are dealing in this app only.
Okay.
So I think, all right, I'll not take much of your time. So thank you so much. If you will have any questions, you can write me an email on palak.khurana@imaginexp.com. You already have my email, guys, and you're already having my number also, so you can contact me.
And Palak, another thing I want to tell you that I'm pursuing PGDM in project management specialization.
Okay.
And recently I have completed 2 professional certifications from Coursera on the area of project management.
Okay.
So will they will be helpful to get into that particular role or particular position?
See, yeah, of course, that will be helpful. But then that's why we have, I already told you, we have kept a general discussion round, which will not be the part of interview. This will be general discussion for you, in which you can tell your past history to that panelist, and he'll guide you for the correct company. So that we can note it down, which is the best fit for you.
Okay.
Right. So he will guide you for this. So that's why we have, made this this document that, like, for example, first of all, we have done assignment, then assessment, and interviews, and then at the end, journal discussion to know you, basically.
Yeah.
That's it.
I have also one question for you.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, actually, when this kind of activities are complete, so what is the next procedure? Actually, what next? Actually, I have also final semester also. I have also done my post graduation. So that is completed. So when I got a job for here at MIT.
Next procedure for you are in the final semester, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what we are doing for this. We have prepared you, a few topics we have discussed with you in campus to corporate thing, right? But then we want you to prepare for the live interviews also. So we are giving you this assessment thing, which is internal, then interview round, which is also internal. But then after you clear this, some companies which we are in contact with, which are collaborated with us, these companies they're asking us, few people, they are having few vacancies. They want students, but then according to this assessment only they will hire people, because they trust us. So that's the reason they will see the assessment marks, the interview marks. So after that only they will select the candidates. So we are already having so this is the next step. We will make you to sit in the placement program, but then you have to clear this internal thing before that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ma'am, this clearance is dependent on the cutoff mark? the overall performance of all students, or is it based on some minimum pass mark? Or something?
See, after every question, minimum marks will be given. For example, if 100 marks are given, so minimum will be 50. It will be given once you will click on My Coach app and you start giving the test. You'll give under instructions. For example, you are giving. Have you given any paper prior to this? So one assessment is given, and before that, some notification instructions are given above that. Have you seen that? Some instructions are given that this question is of this much marks, and under that it will be given the passing marks will also be given. For example, marks are 100, so passing marks will be 50. This is just an estimate, but then the real quiz will be you can see only on 26. I can not tell much about that.
And at which section will it appear, this assessment in the app?
I've already told you that campus to corporate program.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And Palak, actually, I was having some doubts, so that's why I have contacted with Kshitij on day before yesterday, and I told him about my past history and background, and also I sent my updated CV to him, and he told me that you need to change some points on CV. So Imagen XP will help to give suggestions or
Yes, definitely.
on the CV which I have made.
Yes, we can guide you for the same. And but then Shrikant, actually this is the session was up to 8:30 only. I'm already stretching it out, so I have to close this meeting because I'm also answerable for this. So what you can do is, Shrikant, I can give you a call tomorrow morning and we can discuss your points. Right?
Because
Any common question if you're having, you can discuss.
Thank you.
I can-
Please send email ID and number.
Small question from me.
Got it.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Amit here.
yes.
Please share your number over email also, because I don't have the.
Okay, tomorrow I'll be emailing you, so I'll be sharing the
you
number
can
also.
share the number of Kshitij sir also, please, because I want to talk to him personally, and I got connected with the LinkedIn, but in case of any issue, I want to talk separately. For
that I'm not sure. That sure.
Okay, ma'am. You
Yeah.
can share your
Yeah.
number.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time and all the
Thank you.
best.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
very much.
Bye-bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.